Welcome to DJM TV News, where you get the latest information as the trend. Please, if you are new to this channel, subscribe to our YouTube channel at DJM TV. Click on the notification bell so you keep receiving videos from us as they drop. And if you're on Facebook, like our Facebook page at DJM TV. On Twitter, follow us at DJM TV. Also on our website at www.djmtv.news, where we drop videos 247. I am Lawuru Favor for DJM TV News.
To see how the results could be, say the major points for this particular elections now. These are Akeredolu polling unit and the other candidate Jigede polling unit and for large polling units. These three, they're very significant for this election and he may go day here. So I want to know come on day with us as we bring on everything just as it happen live and direct. So that anywhere where you do for the world, you could get the cocoa just as it be. Remember, for some other results where they don't mention for some other places, if you browse up bbc.com/pidgin for our website, you'll see many stories of what happened so far. If you also browse up for your Facebook, for Twitter and for Instagram, we they send stories to all those places just as it happen. And make you go ahead and like our page so that you could always get updates whenever we come live. Say we'd always stay ready to give on a live update any day, any time where any major thing they happen. Just like protests they happen now, we they give on the updates. Now not time for election. Now we here they give on our update just as it they happen. Since morning till now, enter our website bbc.com/pidgin. You go see every cocoa just as it be. Now time to start counting of the votes don't reach and they don't move the ballot box to the center table. The counting proper. I'll open the ballot box right away. Hey, see your phone. Now opening of the ballot box. Now they happen now. They use scissors. They open the ballot box. The next thing will be counting proper. We will start right away. Live and direct. No, you will call it loud so everybody will hear the party. One. How many there now? So count. 4. You people will talk so that we'll go here. If it's void, you say void.
Even though you can be giving it to those party agents.
No. Party agents should not be touching. How many? Okay, you can later.
Good day, house. My name is. Good day, my name is Alabode. Official of that. I just speak right now where I had the governor
APC. Nice. Since it's not counted, there's no need for that. Since you're not counting, no need shouting the name again. I thought you were counting. It's when you are counting that you shout. That's separate step.
APC. APC.
All of us are live. So your audio is to all of us.
PDP.
We'll use this to protect you.
APC. 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 APC.
Yes.
APC. 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 All right. APC. 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 APC.
Just they give them, made and they put them. Don't worry yourself.
APC. APC.
They don't take a long time.
APC. AC. APC. APC. APC.
Okay, we're still live for our Ondo State where we bring on a live updates from Governor Rotimi Akeredolu's polling unit as they happen. Remember, we don't tell on want to visit our website for more Tory, bbc.com/pidgin. You're going to get all the Tory just as they happen. But for now, we're live as counting of votes don't begin for the governor's polling booth. You remember, as I've been talked before, this polling unit, they're very significant for this election. And to say the incumbent governor and his polling unit with these other polling units were very significant. The PDP candidate Jagede's polling unit and that of Agbola of ZLP. We'll go also give on our updates as it happen for those other places. But for now, where we there now for Ijebu or Governor Akeredolu's polling units. As sorting of votes don't start, and next is counting of votes to know who win for this particular unit. I'm gonna go ahead to stay with us.
Somebody should help her. Maybe not give her water. You can take over. I like that.
APC, PDP, APC, 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 PDP, APC, 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 ADP, APC, 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 ADP, APC, 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 APC,
polling units. 6
APC,
found this particular
APC,
unit is
PDP, APC, A, APC, another party, APC, APC, APC. 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 ADP. APC. 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 ADC. APC.
Please, I want to go like this.
Let me deliver this thing. I'm trying to send something.
APC. 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 Is APC. APC. YPP. APC. Eshama. APC. 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 NRF. APC.
I want to share the caption here.
Is it okay?
Yeah, the caption is okay.
APC.
They are laughing.
APC. 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 APC.
Chief, look inside. You don't just taking your shots completely.
APC. 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 APC.
What thoughts in your mind?
APC.
So what could you do? It's okay like this.
Nothing.
Please let us see. Show it to them.
What makes it boys, man? What makes it boys?
This is nice. That is not a future. That is a truck print. All points
APC Void. APC. PGP. APC. 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 APC.
Please let us see. Please let us see.
It's very clear now.
Please let us see.
APC.
Okay, people, sorting of votes. Don't chief. Sorting of votes don't end right now, and the next thing now to begin the counting of votes for Governor Akeredolu's polling booth. We're there for Ijebu or War. As it be now, they go begin count the number of people we vote for APC, and number of people will vote for PDP, and number of people will vote for any other party. One are still here with us as the major counting of votes don't start. And now we go know who win for Governor Akeredolu's polling unit.
1, 2.
Come back small. Yeah.
AAC 2. ADP. ADP 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. ADP 9. YPP 1. YPP. A. Party A 1. NRM 1. NRM. SDP 1. APGA 1. Yeah. APGA. LP 1. ADC 1, 2, 3. ADP. ADC 3. ADC 3. PDP 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. PDP 12. APC 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35. Sorry.
You need them, I beg, you need them. You need them. Take it.
37,
38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100, 101, 102, 103, 104, 105, 106, 107, 108, 109, 110, 111, 112, 113, 114, 115, 116, 117, 118, 119, 120, 121, 122, 123, 124, 125, 126, 127, 128, 129, 130, 131, 132, 133, 134, 135, 136, 137, 138, 139, 140, 141, 142, 143, 144, 145, 146, 147, 148, 149, 150, 151, 152, 153, 112, 155, 156, 157, 158, 159, 160, 161, 162, 163, 164, 165, 166, 167, 168, 169, 170, 171, 172, 173, 174, 175, 176, 177, 178, 179, 180, 181, 182, 183, 184, 185, 186, 187, 188, 189, 190, 191, 192, 193, 194, 195, 196, 197, 198, 199, 200, 201, 202, 203, 204, 205, 206, 207, 208, 209, 210, 211, 212, 213, 214, 215, 216, 217, 218, 219, 220, 221, 222, 223, 224, 225, 226, 227, 228, 229, 230, 231, 232, 233, 234, 235, 236, 237, 238, 239, 240, 241, 242, 243, 244, 245, 246, 247, 248, 249, 250, 251, 252, 253, 254, 255, 256, 257, 258, 259, 260, 261, 262, 263, 264, 265, 266, 267, 268, 269, 270, 271, 272, 273, 274, 275, 276, 277, 278, 279, 280, 281, 282, 283, 284, 285, 286, 287, 288, 289, 290, 291, 292, 293, 294, 295, 296, 297, 298, 299, 300, 301, 302, 303, 304, 305, 306, 307, 308, 309, 310, 311, 312, 313, 314, 315, 316, 317, 318, 319, 320, 321, 322, 323, 324, 325, 326, 327, 328, 329, 330, 331, 332, 333, 334, 335, 336, 337, 338, 339, 340, 341, 342, 343, 344, 345, 346, 347, 348, 349, 350, 351, 352, 353, 354, 355, 356, 357, 358, 359, 360, 361, 362, 363, 364, 365, 366, 367, 368, 369, 370, 371, 372, 373, 374, 375, 376, 377, 378, 379, 380, 381, 382, 383, 384, 385, 386, 387, 388, 389, 390, 391, 392, 393, 394, 395, 396, 397, 398, 399, 400, 401, 402, 403, 404, 405, 406, 407, 408, 409, 410, 411, 412, 413, APC 413. Five, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 11.
Okay, for people where they follow us and I don't hear them say APC don't win for Governor Rotimi Akeredolu polling booth with 413 votes to the one way in opponent for PDP will be Jegede get will be 12 votes and ADP can get 9 votes for this particular polling booth will be Ijebutu Ward 5 Unit 6 as it be so APC don't carry the day for this particular polling booth and the people where they around here they happy even though I don't see too much jubilation like we see for other places But imagine to Boko with what we don't see with our eyes here. For some other units, where would they go before? You go see some places where people go, they jubilate, they celebrate. But for this particular unit, no much of a celebration. But people, they happy, they smile. Because this now the governor pulling unit and now the governor village with this go. The house not too far from here, even though we go near that area now to confirm waiting they happen that side, whether they jubilate or not. So that's all it take happen for here. Remember, say we don't give us some results before, and for all the updates about the Ondo governorship election as it they happen for today, make una enter bbc.com/pidgin. We are not going to get all the cocoa just as it they happen. The collation center not too far from here, so in the next few minutes we go enter the collation center where they go collect results for this particular ward. So all the units go bring their own results, carry and come for the ward unit where they go now collect them. From there they go move to the Owo collation center where they somewhere around Mapo, and that one go continue from there. For now, now so it take happen for here. We won't move down to the collation center for Ijebu 2. Now that's how we won't move down to. That will give one more updates as it just they happen for that side. Okay, that's so it don't happen. We they move right away. See people where follow come check out the results for around here. These now people from Governor Akeredolu's village where follow come see how counting of results take happen. We won't confirm and collect the result sheets before won't get the result sheet picture before we come out from this place, and that one will just wait for right away. The officials were here, they try and made them write the result sheet. Another one would wait before we move to the collation center where they could begin collect results from different polling units under these Ijebu wards too. From there we could move down to the upper collation center of the local government where the bigger results would be announced. Why the INEC officials they try to calculate the results and to write the result sheet. One show face for the collation center briefly, then we will still come back here immediately. For now, more touch the collation center. After that, we will now also go back to this particular unit to give one of the result sheet. Go, we should say this narrative happened for here. Off. Let's go. They go down to the collation center right away. We could check what will happen for that collation center before we come back to collect result sheet.
sọ pé olórí kúkú tó sọ pé ọdún tẹ́lẹ̀ náà ló wà ní
Okay, here now the collection center for this Ijebu. Would they try see what in they happen on the area they want? Plenty people there around. I see security men, I see party agents where they ground, I see men where they ground. Even they see people where they play ball for the other side. I see INEC agents where they ground. Everybody they ready for the collection of results for this collection center. I won't confirm the exact name where they call this collection center. So. But I know there's so many results don't come in from different locations come enter this place. So now there would be so. Okay, the cocoa here we say plenty INEC people day ground. They try to submit their results. So many of them still they count, they do calculations, plenty calculations they go on for here. And now from here they go now move to the local government level for collection of results. For now they see so many INEC officials, ad hoc staff, supervisors, security agencies where they ground them. Make sure say things they work out well, and plenty party people, plenty party agents, voters today around here, call members, everybody they ready for the major collection what will happen here before they go move to the local government level. And we too we dey here, so they showing how it happen, as it happen live and direct. Calculations are still ongoing. Observers to day ground too. I see so many INEC staff they do calculation. So they do calculations and calculations and calculations.
Wọ́n sì jókòó sí bẹ́ẹ̀ ni.
Okay, now so we don't see them for this particular collection center. They still do a lot of calculations. Here at their meeting point. When they finish for the polling booth, they meet here before they move down. Arrange themselves before they move down to the major collection center for the local government. We are heading back to Governor Akeredolu's polling unit because we won't take picture of that particular result sheet where they don't prepare for that place, where they say APC win 413 votes, other PDP 8 votes, and ADP 9 votes. That's what it happened for this place, and we're moving back to that particular polling booth. So far so good. Everything we don't see here, they work out very, very well peacefully, and there has been no incidents of any kind for what we would don't use our eyes see. You can see many people from the area dig ground. They ensure say they see as things they happen. As they happen. While we would be here too, they give on a live update. Just as it be without long talk. Okay, we're moving back to that particular polling unit. Governor Akeredolu's polling unit. So we'll get the results here. Go. Oliver, Chief for her. Come on there, come on for us. Ocho. Slow down. If you park where you will park, go park in front of the car. No, go in front of her. See space there. If you go front, you use back, come back. Use back, come back. Go down. Now you can use your hand close this door. Okay, we don't come back again for bbc.com/pidgin as we show now live updates from Governor Akeredolu's polling booth waiting for Ijebu. As it be, so they don't already announce the results, but we won't see the result sheets live before we go come out from this location. Nahim would wait for, and from here we're gonna move to the state collection, local government collection center before moving to the state collection center. As it happen here, that's what it happen for other polling units around the area. So far, so good for this unit. Governor Akeredolu, we belong to APC, win with 413 votes to PDP Jegede, who get only 12 votes for this particular polling booth. So we don't say any people don't they write on that result sheet, and in a little while they go release the final result from there, and we'll go we'll get shot of that particular result sheet before we go move out from this place.
One time. For the last time.
And
my wife, sorry.
I feel like they like. I can't talk.
This is my face. This is my face. I said you should talk about your wife last time.
Not true, say they don't count the result finish and announce them, but they never fill in the result sheets, and that one we they wait for, because without the result sheet, it is as good as say they never do anything for that cooling unit. Like make we see they here live, they monitor the situation until we see result sheet with our eyes. Say carry exactly the same thing we they announce when they do the counting.
So even though na 10, there will be
Now only about 6 parties. Most of them get like one.
Before I come here, I don't go like 3 or 4 units.
Our party agents, they have not finished. They want to finish this place. Now it be party. Oh yeah, bá wa sign.
Okay, my people, now here we go end this live today as we don't confirm, say they don't sign the results sheet from Governor Akeredolu's polling unit to confirm, say APC used 413 votes to win. PDP will get 12 votes and SDP will get 9 votes. That's what it take happen for here for Ijebu or war.
Welcome to DJM TV News, where you get the latest information as the trend. Please, if you're new to this channel, subscribe to our YouTube channel at DJM TV. Click on the notification bell so you keep receiving videos from us as they drop. And if you're on Facebook, like our Facebook page at DJM TV. On Twitter, follow us at DJM TV. Also on our website at www.djmtv.news, where we drop videos 247. I am Lawuru Favor for DJM TV News.